Welcome to the House of Cars. Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the House of Cars, your ultimate source for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of high-performance luxury with an exclusive look at the BMW M8 Gran Coupe Venom. This beast combines stunning design, blistering performance, and cutting-edge technology to create an unforgettable driving experience. Let's get into what makes the BMW M8 Gran Coupe Venom a true marvel on the road. Aggressive and elegant design. The BMW M8 Gran Coupe Venom commands attention with its aggressive yet elegant design. The front fascia features a bold kidney grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, giving it a fierce and dynamic look. The long, sculpted hood, muscular fenders, and flowing lines along the sides enhance its sporty profile. At the rear, the quad exhaust outlets and sleek LED taillights complete the high-performance aesthetic. The Venom Edition adds exclusive design elements like unique badging and bespoke color options, making it stand out even more. Luxurious and high-tech interior. Step inside the M8 Gran Coupe Venom, and you're greeted by an interior that blends luxury with advanced technology. Premium materials such as fine leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim create a sophisticated ambience. The sports seats are both comfortable and supportive, featuring heating, ventilation, and massage functions for the ultimate driving experience. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch central touchscreen running BMW's latest iDrive system. This setup supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and offers a host of connectivity features. The Harman Kardon surround sound system provides an immersive audio experience, making every drive enjoyable. Blistering performance. Under the hood, the BMW M8 Gran Coupe Venom packs a punch with a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This powerhouse produces a staggering 617 horsepower and 553 pounds-feet of torque, allowing the M8 Gran Coupe Venom to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds. The engine is mated to an 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic transmission, delivering power to all four wheels through BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system. The M8 Gran Coupe Venom features adaptive suspension, active roll stabilization, and M-Sport brakes, ensuring exceptional handling and control even at high speeds. The configurable M modes allow drivers to tailor the car's performance characteristics to their preferences, making it as comfortable on a daily commute as it is thrilling on the track. Advanced safety and driver assistance. BMW has equipped the M8 Gran Coupe Venom with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The car also comes with BMW's active driving assistant, which includes features like automatic emergency braking and pedestrian detection, providing an added layer of security for both the driver and passengers. Final thoughts. The BMW M8 Gran Coupe Venom is a true masterpiece, combining breathtaking performance with luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing the limits on the track, the M8 Gran Coupe Venom delivers an unparalleled driving experience. Thanks for tuning into the House of Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the BMW M8 Gran Coupe Venom. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.